Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories. Like to share album I made last year, and paper I use is from Stamperia and have name Thread. So it look like that and very simple. And when I open, let's see what is inside. I almost don't remember, but we find it. Okay, so here is some flap, and into the flap is pocket with that tag. And when I open that pocket, inside we can put huge photos, because it's pocket from acetate. And I fussy cut that sewing machine. Next page I have to find. Okay, here is some thread with needles, and when I open that, we can slide photo here. Here is pocket, and also I can open and put, we can slide photo here. And for some reason is there the ribbon for what? It can be open, but the thread was glued. And here I have some waterfall for many photos. Wow, okay. And when I open that flap, here is some circle, and inside is that image of sewing machine. So closure will be on this ribbon here and here. Okay, I don't know why I use glossy accent and it's on the ribbon, but it's fine. Okay, next page, it's a surprise for me too. Okay, it's acetate pocket, and inside the pocket we have these images, and here is two pockets. I just slide middle the scissors pocket and put that beautiful images. Next, that I found on the internet, and I try to make it. So the photos come here, here and here, and when we slide the other side, it's similar here. And to closure photos, just with lights on middle. On this page is fuzzy cut image and pocket behind it. That is not ribbon, it's ribbon from paper. I love that images of ribbon on paper, and I just slide here. I love that paper, and was time when I saw lot. I also saw, I am not a dressmaker, but I learned from Buddha, and I was so good because I saw also 5 wedding dresses. Okay, it was time when I was very, very interesting. And here is flap. Okay. The paper is so beautiful. Look, and I made little pocket or just cut that and put 2 tags inside. It's cute. Can you believe how happy I am what I made? And that's why we have to do that, to enjoy not only what we doing, but also what we made it. And here I just cut that frame of that watches and make pocket. And here is what? Like that, and then like that. So it's photo mat, and I cut behind the circle, make pocket. Look at that flowers, beautiful. And to not fly, we just add that closure. And what I find behind that ribbon, ta-da. So again, that I love to do. Just not break the paper, but just cut and make pockets. That paper is also from Poland company. I don't really remember name, but was about the sewing, so I saved that. And next, that is all. Fussy cutting and glue just a little bit here and here to make pocket. Oops, let's go. And here is what? Booklet. Okay, and then I found, now I don't like when we have to open flaps like up and down, because it needs big table. Okay, but I did. And this paper here is also from Stamperia, but it's long time ago when I was working as designer from them, and I found in my stash, and it's booklet, and also here I think, yes. So, and when we open happiness, we can write on, put some photos there. Okay, don't fall. Okay, it's closure right here. Pink ribbon. I show you something I forgot about. Look at that. It's flap from pocket. On the flap, it's just place for photos. I just love that paper. So, and inside that pocket is something I bought for me in Switzerland or maybe Abu Dhabi. Look at that. That teeny mini sewing. How it's open. That's cute, no? And I just don't want to lose it, so I make that pocket and put to the little and notes, folding card. Okay, let's go. Okay, so deck bell close all. Okay, with love. It's cute. And it's sit inside. I forgot about. I don't want to give to nobody. Maybe I don't have too many photos when I do sewing. So thank you very much to visit my channel. I hope you like my album. Maybe I inspire you. That was is my idea for sharing what I'm doing to inspire you. So thank you very much and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.